smart technology leads manufacturing, innovation shapes the future. Driven by innovation and intelligence, WEIMA embarks on a new journey of diversified manufacturing. Craftsmanship at our core, steadfast in our stride. Founded in 2003, WEIMA has dedicated over 2 decades to the R&D, production and sales of outdoor power equipment and intelligent agricultural machinery. Adhering to a continuous innovation product strategy, we provide fully mechanized solutions for outdoor operations and agricultural production. The company has built global manufacturing bases in Chongqing, China and Thailand. Chongqing Factory, serving as our headquarters and core R&D base, it specializes in outdoor power equipment and smart agricultural machinery, while also independently manufacturing key components. Thailand Factory, this full product manufacturing base serves international markets and acts as a service center for Southeast Asia. WEIMA has been designated as an Engineering Technology Research Center, Enterprise Technology Center, and Industrial Design Center. It has received honors such as Outstanding Private Enterprise in Chongqing, Chongqing Manufacturing Individual Champion Enterprise, Specialized and Innovative Enterprise in Chongqing, and High-Tech Enterprise. In 2023, WEIMA successfully listed on the Growth Enterprise Board of the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. Diversified layout, serving the world. Rooted in market needs, WEIMA has developed a diversified product matrix for various applications. General power, delivering reliable power for a wide range of equipment. Outdoor power machinery, meeting diverse needs including outdoor power supply, irrigation, cleaning and sweeping. Light agricultural machinery, providing comprehensive support for plowing, planting, field management and harvesting. Professional agricultural machinery, offering systematic solutions for paddy and dryland farming, rice transplanting, and crop harvesting. Construction machinery, supporting projects such as road construction and maintenance. A technology-led, quality first. WEIMA has implemented a comprehensive quality management system certified to ISO 9001 and other international standards. Through sustained innovation, the company has secured over 160 core patents and obtained CNAS certification, laying a solid foundation for a national engineering technology center. Backed by reliable quality and continuous product development, WEIMA's multi-brand strategy, encompassing brands like Wenevis, has seen its products sold in over 100 countries and regions. Strategic partnerships with internationally renowned brands have earned widespread market trust and recognition. Smart manufacturing drives future success. WEIMA is deeply focused on optimizing product intelligence and smart manufacturing. Through its R&D center, it drives advancements in technology, processes, and equipment, continually launching new products that exceed user expectations. Leveraging its testing center, WEIMA has established a design, manufacture, verify, optimize closed loop, increasing in-house component production rates, optimizing costs, and significantly enhancing overall product quality and industrial competitiveness. Moving forward, WEIMA will diversify into new energy equipment and smart products, deepen its overseas localization strategy, expand its global marketing network, and strive to become a top-tier multinational manufacturing enterprise and a globally recognized brand in outdoor power equipment and agricultural machinery. Smart manufacturing transforms lives. WEIMA pioneers the future. Perfect WEIMA, perfect life.